Maurice here back for another Power Pack training. Today, I'm gonna be helping you guys to create a system that allows you to make $5,000 to $10,000 a month in the next 60 days or so. Okay, how to create a system. Now, the reason why most of you guys are still struggling, you're not getting clients, you're not building your internet business, affiliate marketing business, dropship building business. Because I have a lot of people that watch my channel, so I want to touch everyone, is that you don't have a predictable system. Now, the reason why I like social media marketing so much, ladies and gentlemen, is because I have a system, or it's built around a system, okay? And the system is really easy. If you can methodically work your system, okay, every single day, at the end of the week, at the end of the month, at the end of the day, it will spit out income and revenue for you, okay? Now, the reason why so many people are struggling in social media marketing, and the reason why you're struggling in social media marketing, you don't have a system, okay? And the system is really simple, okay? The system is simple. All we do in social media marketing is really easy, is that we get in front of the client. We contact clients, okay? We let them know what we got. We answer their questions. We close the deal, and we fulfill the service. That's it. And the reason why you're probably having challenges is, number one, you don't know how to get in front of clients, or you don't know what to say to clients, or you don't have an outreach strategy for the clients, so therefore you don't have any clients. Now, what I believe in, okay, and there's numerous strategies out there to get filthy rich in social media marketing in literally 90 days, okay? Some of the benefits of social media marketing, number one, is very low overhead, okay? Low overhead, all right? Low skill set. You don't even have to, the beautiful thing about social media marketing is that you don't have to be a guru. You know, to make money in this niche, in this business endeavor. All right. All you have to do is have a system. And if you have a system, okay, ladies and gentlemen, you can create extraordinary results. Okay. And I'm talking $5,000 to $10,000 in the next 30 to 60 days. All you have to do is this: set aside 1 to 2 hours a day and contact business owners. You can do that via the phone. You could do that via instant messaging people on LinkedIn and Facebook. You can send out cold emails, all right? You could go online and Google businesses and get their email address, get your Gmail account, and just send them a simple email, okay? You want to send out about 50 to 100 of those a day, all right? Or you can pick up the phone, okay? You can go on Yelp, Craigslist, Google, Facebook, okay, and contact business owners, all right? I have a script and everything. If you guys are interested in my script and rebuttals, click the link in the description. You can sign up for the Social Media Prospecting Pro course, where I show you how to methodically work a system. Because here's the thing: if you don't have a system, you're going to have clogs and inconsistencies. You want to be consistent in everything you do in life. That's going to create the result that you want. Most of you guys start, stop. You in Facebook ads, you running Google ads, you was in social media, now you're in drop shipping. You was doing Amazon, now you're doing Airbnb properties. Okay? Now you're in real estate. Okay? Now you're in affiliate marketing. It's too much starting and stopping, it's too much inconsistencies that are derailing your success. Okay, so if you want to put about 5 to 10 G's in your pocket in 30 to 60 days, do this. Set aside 1 or 2 hours a day to get in front of business owners. Okay, once you get in front of the business owners, introduce yourself. Let them know, hey, I'm in social media marketing. I'm brand new at this, and I'm reaching out to some business owners. Simply put, I want to let them know that I can provide quality services to get them more phone calls, customers, and clients. Okay, here's my information, all right? And check out my information. I'll follow back up with you. Follow back up with them, okay? And simply put, find out what their needs are. That's what I simply do when I'm making cold calls. I'm just trying to find out what the client's needs are, okay? If they don't have a need or a desire, ladies and gentlemen, I don't care how good you sound, they're not going to purchase from you. Plain and simple. They're not going to purchase. And that's something that you guys got to understand, all right? And there's so many business owners out there that are waiting for you to contact them, okay? But the biggest thing that's holding you back are some of your limiting beliefs. And let's deal with those right now. You can't do it. You're not good enough. You're broke. You don't have a college background or college degree. None of that stuff matters, ladies and gentlemen. None of that stuff matters. When I started in social media marketing, ladies and gentlemen, I was underworked, underpaid. I was struggling. I wanted a way out of corporate America. I launched my social media marketing business. I started off struggling. I wasn't getting any clients, you know, and I did the math. I was saying to myself, man, if I had 5 clients or 6 clients paying me, you know, anywhere from $500 to $1,000 a month, that's my ticket out. Okay, that was my ticket out. I had bills I needed to pay, car payments, rent was due, and I needed money. The job just wasn't cutting it. So I started my journey, making calls, stumble along, getting hung up on, getting beat, getting defeated, getting my tail beat. And I was going through the growing pains of building a social media marketing agency, okay? I bought the courses. I looked at the YouTube videos too. But the truth of the matter of it was, ladies and gentlemen, I kept going. Even though I was getting my butt kicked, even though I was struggling, and that's something that most of you guys aren't able to deal with, so you quit. The reason why 95% of the people start and quit businesses is they don't give themselves time to grow, okay, and to learn and to develop the skill set necessary to get clients, to become better on the phone, to communicate properly with clients. Okay, that takes time. And if you're not willing to give it time to work, ladies and gentlemen, you won't be able to reap the fruits of the benefits of a social media marketing agency or any type of business that you're involved in. If you don't give it time to germinate, or you don't give yourself time to grow, okay, ladies and gentlemen, it will not work. And that's what you got to do, ladies and gentlemen. Give it time, okay? But you got to keep going, all right? And as I continue to go on my journey, embark upon my journey, okay, ladies and gentlemen, it was rough. I kept going, but I finally figured the thing out, and I began to get clients. I began to get good at it. And my first year of doing social media marketing, I was able to pull in 6 figures. I was blown away. I look back on some of the things that brought me to 6 figures. And then, of course, I've been able to make 6 figures from then on out every single year, basically on a part-time basis. Why? I have the skill set, okay, to execute and get clients. And if you guys want the skill set and you want to be able to get clients on demand, okay, you have to invest in you. You have to be willing to put in the work. That is so key. There are so many people that are not willing to put in the work, okay? You got to put in the work. And if you put in the work, ladies and gentlemen, you will be able to make $5,000 to $10,000 a month in the next 60 to 90 days. And it's all about contacting the client, putting the right information in front of the client, finding out what the client need is, and closing the sale, closing the deal. That's all you have to do. You just get good in those 4 simple areas, okay, ladies and gentlemen, and you can pull in $5,000 to $10,000 a month in the next 30 to 60 days. That's it. Get rid of the negative beliefs that you guys have that you can't do it. I did it. You know, I didn't go to college. I wasn't born with a silver spoon in my mouth. Okay. You know, I got a high school education. All right. But something that I got that most people don't have with degrees is I have a desire. And when I set my mind to do something, I get it done. I have a work ethic that's second to none. I'm willing to go through blood, sweat, and tears to get what I want. And most people on the internet, they don't have it. And if you want to succeed, you got to have a sensational desire for success. You got to be willing to put forth time, energy, and money. Let me say that again. Time, energy, and money. And most of you guys say, I'm not putting no money in, you'll never make it. I'm not going to put no time in it. I want a free lunch. Ain't no free lunches in social media marketing. I don't care how good someone may make the course seem, okay? And that's why I like cold calling, because most people won't get a cold calling course because they know they got to put in work. They mostly want push button type of courses. But this is the fastest way to make money. Facebook's nice, YouTube nice. I know how to do all those strategies. They're nice. But this strategy here, it builds character. It makes you better. It grows you up. It gets rid of those limiting beliefs. It builds your communication skills. It helps you to be a warrior. It makes you business savvy. Okay? There's nothing like it. Start here and then go to that other stuff. Get the course, cold calling course, and build that tough skin up. You know what I mean? Because that's what cold calling does. It puts inside of you, man, I won't quit till somebody tells me yes. And I won't quit till I'm making $100,000 a day or whatever your goal is, $10,000 a month. Okay? You won't quit till you get it. And that's what cold calling will do. Okay? Makes you a winner. So ladies and gentlemen, if you truly want to make money and be successful in SMMA, roll your sleeves up and go to work. Master those 4 simple things that I talked about. Just master, it's simple stuff. Give it time. It may take you, people always ask me, how long will it take, Maurice, to make $10,000 a month? I said 30 to 60 days. If you go at it and you work your system and you make calls Monday through Friday, Monday through Saturday, Monday. Some of you guys need to make calls Monday through Sunday. You know, as much time as you've wasted in your life watching TV, playing video games, going to play basketball and bowling and watching movies, all this non-producing revenue activities that we've done in our lives, all this extracurricular stuff that never amounted to revenue. Ladies and gentlemen, some of us have invested, I know I have, years of unproductive stuff. Now, it's okay because you want to enjoy life. Don't get me wrong. But when it's time to blitz and to say, hey, you know what? For the next 6 months, I'm going to give this thing my all. I'm going to get the courses. I'm going to get the coach. I'm going to put in the time, the effort, the energy, and I'm going to do it. That's what you got to do, ladies and gentlemen. And there is no way around that. Everything that you're trying to do, there is no way around that stuff. A lot of you guys are trying to avoid pain. It's like going to the gym saying, I'm going to avoid pain. When I go to the gym, it's no avoiding pain. If you want to avoid pain, ladies and gentlemen, you might as well go work for somebody. If you don't want to spend no money, go work for somebody. You still going to spend money on gas to get to work, lunches, clothes, and all the other stuff. But if you don't want to make big investments, like you have to make a $5,000 or $10,000, you don't want to invest in your personal education. It's like trying to be a doctor without going to school. It's an oxymoron. That just can't happen. You have to put in the time, energy, and money. Time, energy, money. No way around it. Unless you want to rob a bank. And if you rob a bank, you know what they're going to do to you. Somebody going to find you. And they're going to put you in a place where you can't get out for a very, 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 very long time. I know a guy that robbed a bank. You know, it's sad, but you don't rob no bank. They're going to put you in an ugly place. So ladies and gentlemen, get out there and make it happen for yourself. There's so many clients that are waiting for you. My name is Maurice Gear. I hope this training has been of immense value to you. Make sure you guys comment, hit the thumbs up, subscribe, comment below. Let me know what you thought about this. I love doing trainings like this to motivate and inspire you guys to greatness. I'll see you on the next one. Bye for now.